We'll guide you through how to use Multiview on OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauzer, who's continuing with it.
Now first open OBS Studio and then go to settings. You can go to settings from here, or you can also go to the top left and click on file and then go to settings. And once that the settings is open, just go to the general tab and then scroll all the way down until you see multi-view. So basically you can just go ahead and toggle all of them on and then just click on the drop down for multi-view layout, and then you'll find several layout, and the right one depends on how many scene or sources you want to monitor. For example, horizontal top 8 scene layout places up to 8 scene across the top. Horizontal bottom 8 scenes does the same at the bottom, while vertical left scene and vertical right scene places your scenes along the left or right side. There are also scene only layout for 4 scene, 9 scene, 16 scene and 25 scene. This is useful when you want to monitor a large number of scene at the same time, so you don't have to use one specific layout. Just choose the one that fits the number of scene that you are working with and the way that you want your multi-view arranged. So let's say I want to go with horizontal top 8 scene. I'll just go ahead and select that. After that, click on apply and then click on OK. And now just go to the view and then go to open multi-view, and then here just go ahead and select your monitor just like that. And then now you should be able to switch between different scene. This is by stream scene, this is scene 2, scene 3. You can just go ahead and navigate through them just like that. If you are using multiple camera, you can switch between them directly or multi-view. Simply double click on the scene or source that you want to send live and OBS will switch to it. So let's say I want to go with starting soon. I'll just select that, and now I can just press the escape key on my keyboard and it will be successfully switched